Maytag Bravos XL washer troubleshooting, quick fixes and tips. To troubleshoot your Maytag Bravos XL washer, check the power supply and ensure the door is properly closed. Refer to the user manual for specific error codes. The Maytag Bravos XL washer is a popular choice for many households due to its efficiency and advanced features. Sometimes users may encounter issues that need troubleshooting. Common problems include power supply interruptions, door latch issues, and specific error codes. Understanding these issues can save time and potentially avoid costly repairs. Always start by checking simple fixes like power connections and door closures. If error codes appear, consult the user manual for detailed instructions. Regular maintenance and proper usage can also prevent many common problems. Knowing how to handle minor issues ensures your washer operates smoothly for years. Maytag Bravos XL washer common issues. Even the dependable Maytag Bravos XL washer can face issues. Knowing the common problems helps in quick troubleshooting. This section covers the most frequent issues users encounter. 1. No power, water not filling. Maytag Bravos XL washer error codes. The Maytag Bravos XL washer is reliable, but errors can occur. Understanding error codes can help troubleshoot issues quickly. Here are the common error codes and their fixes. 1. F1 error, 251 error, 3LD error. Maytag Bravos XL washer basic maintenance. Regular basic maintenance of your Maytag Bravos XL washer ensures longevity. Keep it running smoothly with simple checks and cleaning. 1. Cleaning filters. 2. Inspecting hoses. 3. Checking drum balance. Maytag Bravos XL washer DIY fixes. Experiencing issues with your Maytag Bravos XL washer? You can try some DIY fixes before calling a technician. These fixes can save you time and money. Below are some simple steps to help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. 1. Resetting washer. 2. Replacing hoses. 3. Fixing drainage issues. Maytag Bravos XL washer advanced troubleshooting. In this section, we will explore advanced troubleshooting for the Maytag Bravos XL washer. This guide will help you diagnose and fix complex issues. Follow these steps to ensure your washer runs smoothly. 1. Diagnosing electrical issues. 2. Motor problems. 3. Control board issues. Maytag Bravos XL washer preventive tips. Maintaining your Maytag Bravos XL washer can help avoid many issues. Follow these preventive tips to ensure your washer runs smoothly. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Proper loading. 3. Using correct detergent. Maytag Bravos XL washer. When to call a professional. Dealing with a malfunctioning Maytag Bravos XL washer can be frustrating. Sometimes troubleshooting yourself isn't enough. Knowing when to call a professional is crucial. This guide will help you make an informed decision. 1. Identifying major issues. 2. Warranty considerations. 3. Finding a reliable technician. Maytag Bravos XL washer user resources. Troubleshooting your Maytag Bravos XL washer can be easier with the right resources. Here we provide essential user resources to help you fix common issues. 1. Manuals and guides. 2. Customer support. 3. Online forums. Frequently asked questions about Maytag Bravos XL washer. Why is my Maytag Bravos XL washer not starting? Ensure the power cord is plugged in and check the circuit breaker. Also, confirm the lid is properly closed. How to fix Maytag Bravos XL not spinning. Check for an unbalanced load, ensure the lid is closed, and verify that the washer is not overloaded. Why is my Maytag washer leaking? Inspect hoses for leaks, check door seals, and ensure the washer is level. Replace damaged parts if necessary. What does F51 error code mean? The F51 error code indicates a rotor position sensor issue. Reset the washer or consult the user manual for instructions. How to clean Maytag Bravos XL washer. Run a cleaning cycle with washer cleaner tablets. Wipe down the drum and gasket to remove residue and debris. Conclusion. About Maytag Bravos XL washer. Addressing Maytag Bravos XL washer issues can save time and money. Follow our troubleshooting tips for a smoother laundry experience. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs ensure your washer runs efficiently. Keep your appliance in top shape and avoid costly service calls.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.